Hi, it's Emily from WTI. If you have a plant lover in your life, or you are a plant lover, you really have to check out these earrings from Happily Plant. These are the 18 karat gold Monstera tiny earrings. There's so many things that I love about these earrings. They are completely nickel free, so they are really high quality and they don't irritate your ears. They're also handmade and illustrated by the owner based on her own Monstera at home, which I think is super fun. So these earrings came wrapped in the cutest little glass corked bottle inside of a gift bag in a box. You can use the glass bottle to create your own propagation station. So they make perfect little glass jars for propagating cuttings from your plants. And this store has so many options available that you could create quite the propagation station if you bought several products. They have the matching Monstera necklace to these earrings, and they even have different Monstera varieties like the Thai Constellation or the Albo. So fun. If you are really into houseplants and you know your houseplants, you're gonna wanna check out these adorable earrings. These are small and comfortable enough for me to wear all the time, which is what I like. They tell anyone who notices what they are how much I love my houseplants, as you can see. And also they're just very beautiful and they accentuate any outfit. So if you're a plant lover, you know a plant lover, and you want a really fun gift, I cannot recommend these adorable Monstera 18 karat gold earrings more. I think you're gonna love them, and that's my point of view.